Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Jaleesa here. I am so excited about this new video. So we are starting a new series on this channel. I'm not 100% sure when we will be uploading, but it is going to be your beginner guide to how to install these units. So it's going to be a beginner installer series, and we'll go through all of the different details that I do step by step to kind of make the wig look as natural as possible. So today we are focusing on cutting the lace, and cutting the lace is so important, y'all. I've talked about it numerous times, but I have quite a few orders, and fun fact, if you have not heard about it yet, I am allowing all my wigs to be made pre-cut. So it's a pre-cut service. It's a complimentary service for anyone that purchases through my website. So if you purchase through my website, I can get her ready to wear right away, cut the lace for you. But if you decide to not add this free complimentary service on, I will show exactly how to cut the lace at home. So I know you finally get the wig home, you've purchased, you're excited about your wig, you receive it, and the first kind of point of like, what do I do next? Happens right after that. You have to cut the lace. It's one of the most important steps when installing your wig. So if you're interested in that type of content, keep on watching. Okay, y'all. This first unit is a 4x4 cap construction. I'll probably put the specs right next door. She is, I believe, 28 inches, 4x4, which means 4 to 4, 4x4. So 4 inches across, 4 inches back. And all we need to do is cut off that excess lace towards the front of this. So let's see how we can do this on camera.
I should have put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of the twist different prior. I try to pay all your loans, so I'll pick up you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still moved you away from Houston before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment.
This is a lace frontal unit, y'all. So it's ear-to-ear lace T-part. I like to use these claw clips to just pull the baby hairs out the way, because it makes it very easy. If I had 4, that would be perfect, but I only have 2. So first thing I do is this extra ear flap that's on the side, y'all. I'm gonna cut it straight up. Straight up. You can actually cut both sides off right away. Take the picking shears, and we're just gonna cut straight up. And it takes like that ear tab that I'm always talking about in the lives, and takes that and cuts that off. Next, like I said, you're constantly just trying to make sure that you're not cutting off any baby hairs. You always want to leave a little lip on the cut, okay? So I'm gonna go right in front of the hairline. Hopefully y'all are capturing this on, but I'm cutting right in front. And you see it's a little lip on there, y'all. Y'all want to keep that extra lip on there, or a little bit of the excess lace. You want to go around the natural curvatures of the hairline. So y'all saw I curved that a little bit as I was cutting. So this side is done, y'all. I'm going to pull this forward and go right in front of the parting space. Then I'm going to take this last clip off the end and go here. Okay, so now we're moving on to the middle section. Again, just watch your baby hairs, y'all, and leave that little lip on there. So then we're gonna go through, cut, and then we're going around that curve that you normally have, that most people always have at least a slight curve around the hairline. And you wanna follow that curve. See that, y'all? Hopefully this is capturing. I know this is an important video, but I was like, how do I capture this on camera? So I tried to show a few different angles, y'all. And these scissors make it foolproof. You can also do it with a regular scissor, but I do suggest getting these, investing in these if you are going to be wearing wigs often. I think it's a good investment for 10 bucks. I have had many people ask if I can just bundle these together with their order, and I have approved that, y'all. So the scissors will be on the website as well. But as y'all can see, just brush through her quick. Look at that hairline, y'all. She is absolutely ready to wear. So it should be a little bit rigid across the front hairline. It should have that little lip on there. So you have some wiggle room on there. I've noticed when it goes directly to the hairline, y'all, what it mimics is almost like a straight hairline, even though you use the serrated scissors. So I like adding that little bit of lip. Y'all can play with your baby hairs there, and it just works really well. So trust me. So again, I think this customer is Diva. Her username on here is Diva. Thank you so much, love. She purchased 4 units from me. This is Katrina and the Golden Blonde. I'll probably link her below so y'all can have all of the wigs if they're not discontinued, because I did have a few that were discontinued that were clearance down. So most of these, y'all, I'm sweating. I'm hot. Most of these were sold on my live, and I have a live on Poshmark and TikTok, so keep that in mind.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, that feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on below. Got a hunger, she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, that feeling just grows strong. You leave it alone, but you're...
Hey y'all, so I hope y'all learned something new. We were able to get through all of our, I think we sold 9 wigs, y'all. So we got all of the lace cut Again, if you ever want your wig ready to wear, just add it on with the free complimentary code. So if you go on and add the code, it will save you the $10 on what it normally costs. And the code will be listed below so you guys can see that. This is a great tool, y'all. So if you are scared or nervous about ordering a wig or cutting the lace, at least that's a complimentary service you can always have. If y'all have any questions, concerns, things, tricks, tips, the claw clips work really, really well. I do think that the serrated scissors are a great investment. Those are available on the website as well. So these are great investments, and then so are the claw clips, y'all. This works really well on keeping our baby hairs out of the way of the scissors. So if y'all have any questions, put it in the comments below. Let me know if there's any tips or tricks that y'all use at home that I might have missed. Please put me on, because I'm always trying to make my process better and better. But I think that's everything, y'all. You might be getting 2 videos today because we have not swapped out the hair. This is the same hair from last video. So if you do want specs on this hair at all, it'll be linked below. But I think that's everything, y'all. 2 videos this week. I am trying to keep with this trend. If y'all have any questions, let me know. Y'all have a wonderful rest of the week, and I will see y'all Wednesday or Thursday. One of the 2. Y'all have a wonderful week. Bye.